Again, Ravi this side from Learn and Grow. So today we are going to discuss split and join method. So what is the purpose of split method? So split method is used when we want to convert a string into a list. So we have a string and we want to convert our string into list. Okay, let me take you example. If I have my string equal to hello world. So this is my string. And if I want to convert this my string to list, then I can specify by which op operator I want to split it. Suppose if I specify space here, or better if I write in this way, and now if I print it, you see the output. So by using this space, my list is prepared. This is first element, this is second element. Okay, let me give you more example. Suppose I have a string in which language is the string name, and here my split is using comma. So I can specify length comma dot split. Then I can specify that by this I need to prepare my list element. So in this way you will get it. Okay, let me take one more example. There is one parameter also. Uh, okay, let me take one example. Then I will discuss that parameter. You have this string. Then you can use the this dollar operator as your split. So you need to specify by which separator you want to split your string. Let me run it. So I hope these are clear to you now. Okay. Then we take concept of max split. So you can specify by max split how much time the splitting should happen. Okay, things will be clear by example. Suppose if I have a string equal to fruit. So here it contain one, two, three. Three dollar symbol. I want to split this fruit string into list, but splitting should happen two times. So this will be splitted, this will be splitted, but this will not be splitted. So first element will be apple, then banana, and this remaining will be the third element. Okay, let me show you the output. Apple, banana. So splitting done two times max. This is the purpose of max. Okay, so in real time use case when you use the split, okay, suppose you have to take some input from user, and you have to take the input in the form of list. Then you can say input, please enter values separated by comma, and then here you put the split function, split like this. And now if I enter some value, okay, let me write my program first. So by comma. So suppose I enter some value first, comma, second, comma, third, fourth. So in this way I will get a list. So how to get a input in the form of list? So I can use this split. By using split, we can take input from user, and then by using split method we can convert it into list. Okay, so split is clear. So split is used when we have to convert a string into list. Then we have join method. The purpose of join method is opposite. Means if we want to convert a list into string, then we use join method. Okay, so in case of join you need a separator. Suppose I specify a separator. like this, then I have uh, a list 1 equal to A, then I have B, then C. Now I want to convert this list into a string by joining. Okay, so print s dot join. So what you want to join? List 1 I want to join. So now all the list elements will be formed into string. So by joining this s, so output will come like A, B, C. If I don't specify anything, then if I do it like this way, okay, let me run it. So in this way, you can form a string by the list. So this is the operator by which you want to join the list element. So if I give space here, then see space is also here. So list element will be joined by using this. Okay, let me take some more example, then things will be more clear. Suppose I have this list is there, and if I do this operation, so now by comma it will try to join all the values, but I need to take it in string as well, otherwise error will come. So now hello space Ravi space 19. So all the list element are joined by this thing that is specified here. So I think split and join are clear to you. So whenever in our program we require that we have to convert from string into list and vice versa. So this is possible by our split and join method. So in your programming, you will mostly use this split and join method. So I hope the base is clear to you now. So if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for